Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic resource for anyone interested in the world of 3D printing. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Introducing 3D Printing for Beginners 2026, the complete starter guide to 3D printing at home. This comprehensive guide is designed to help newcomers navigate the exciting but sometimes overwhelming realm of 3D printing. Whether you're a hobbyist, an aspiring inventor, or simply curious about this innovative technology, this guide offers everything you need to get started right from your home. One of the standout features of this guide is its easy-to-follow setup instructions. The author breaks down the entire setup process into manageable steps, making it accessible even for those with no prior technical knowledge. Additionally, the book includes a range of beginner projects that allow you to practice your skills and build confidence as you learn. These projects vary in complexity, so you can gradually take on more challenging tasks as you progress. Another highlight of this guide is its troubleshooting tips. 3D printing can come with its fair share of challenges, and having a resource that helps you identify and resolve common issues can save you a lot of frustration. Whether it's calibration problems or print failures, this guide has you covered with practical solutions. This product is suitable for a wide audience. If you're a student looking to explore a new hobby or a parent wanting to engage your kids in a creative project, this guide is ideal. It's perfect for educators as well, providing a solid foundation for incorporating 3D printing into classroom activities. Even seasoned makers can benefit from the beginner projects and troubleshooting advice when teaching others. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine creating custom toys for your children, designing unique gifts for friends, or even making prototypes for your business ideas. This guide empowers you to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life. You could also use it to create home decor items or even functional tools tailored to your needs. In summary, 3D Printing for Beginners 2026